What's up, gamers? Today we're doing the sliding filament theory. So step one, the action potential travels down the neuron into the axon terminal. So this thing slides down to the axon terminal. Step number two, the Ca2 plus flows into the axon terminal from the cytoplasm. So these slide right over there from the cytoplasm. Step number three, the synaptic vessels, these things right here, the little openings, travel to the end of the axon terminal and empty acetylcholine into the synaptic cleft. So right here, empties these little dots into this. Next, the acetylcholine binds to the receptors on the motor end plate of the muscle fiber. So those little dots there bind to these parts of the sarcolemma, the motor end. Step number 5. The Na2 plus flows across the sarcolemma into the muscle fiber and depolarizes the membrane. So these flow right along the sarcolemma and depolarizes that part.
Continuing on with our Let's Play, we have our action potential traveling across the sarcolemma and down to T-tubule. So let's see if we can do it. And we did it, gamers. Let's go. Now, that causes the Ca2 to be released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which will ultimately bind the Ca2 plus to the troponin. From there, we're going to cause the troponin to move or stop blocking the action of the triple myosin. So this is going to go off. Now, the myosin binding sites on actin are exposed, and myosin binds to actin.
Yo, what's up, gamers? This is step 11, and in this step, the myosin is moving the actin filament, and contraction occurs according to the sliding filament theory. So this pulls on this, which causes contraction. Then the next step, this is where the actin is pulled towards the center of the sarcomere and contraction occurs, so basically like that. And then the next step, 13, calcium is removed from the troponin, which caused the contraction. It goes all the way back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum where it's stored. And then the last step, the myosin releases the actin filament and muscle relaxation occurs, so the whole process can start over again. Drawn by Kyle, #GamerNation.